Good morning, Hong Kong. Welcome back to another episode of Hong Kong Insurance 101. Liability. Under Hong Kong law, this is the state of being responsible for something. A mortgage, for example, is a liability, as the mortgagee is responsible for paying a fee to the mortgagor. But liability is encountered in many other instances in everyday life, and when accidents occur, you could be liable for their outcomes if you do not hold proper protection. Liability is, arguably, one of the only concerns of insurance. This is because the definition of insurance is the equitable exchange of a risk for a predetermined fee. Through insurance, an individual or business pays an insurer to assume liability for a risk being covered by an insurance policy, instead of the policyholder being financially responsible for remedying any accident or injury they caused. The insurance will assume that burden subject to the policy terms and conditions. So what is liability insurance? What does it cover, and how may it impact your life? Well, the most common form of liability insurance protection in Hong Kong is car insurance coverage. All drivers operating vehicles on public roads must hold, at minimum, third-party car insurance coverage, which protects against third-party death or bodily injury that you cause. Under a third-party car insurance policy, you are not covered for your own damages. This type of insurance provides financial compensation in lieu of your liability to other people who are damaged due to a traffic accident for which you are responsible. Outside car insurance, public and general liability insurance is often found at any business, particularly those which interact with members of the general public on a regular basis. From coffee shops to construction firms, most business you interact with every day have comprehensive public liability protection, as do any concerts or events you go to. This is simply because liability claims can be extremely expensive. From the risk of a hammer being dropped 40 floors down a building during an apartment renovation, through to the risk of a customer tripping over your entrance and breaking their arm, there's a lot that can go wrong every day. Public liability insurance ensures that whatever your risk may be, you are not left personally financially responsible. There are many different types of liability protection available in Hong Kong for almost any risk you could conceive that involves a loss to a third party. From commercial goods liability to professional liability, there are myriad ways in which you could be at fault for damage to a third party, even while sitting at home. That's us for this week. We hope you have a happy and healthy weekend. As always, remember to like and subscribe to stay current with all our content as it comes out. And don't forget to ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.